Hi, I'm Anna from ETC English, and today we're going to look at the IELTS listening test. Now let's focus on table completion questions in the IELTS listening test. First, we will learn to identify table completion, where to find the answer for the table, how to answer the questions, then look at the example questions, and finally we will give you some tips at the end. How to identify the question. Question has columns and rows. Each column has different categories. There will be an outline with some information like address, rooms like this. The table has blanks and missing information. Look for clues in the question to fill in those gaps. Now let me tell you where to find the answer. The answer to the question will be the missing information that completes the table. For each question, you have to decide what type of information you need to listen for. Is it a type of food, a subject, a noun, a number, etc.? Let's move on to how to answer the question. Listen carefully and pay attention to each part. Read and listen to the instructions very carefully. Many students throw away easy marks by misreading or not following simple instructions. Make sure to follow along so you don't get lost or confused while going through the sections. Look at the categories at the top of each column or row. This will help you to understand what information you're listening for and to follow the conversation. Now, let's have a look at the question. Remember things that I said before. Listen to the audio and try to find the answers.
There's this one in Oakington Avenue at £550 a month, combined living room and dining room with a separate kitchen. It doesn't have a garage, though you can park in the road.
In the audio, it says, it doesn't have a garage, though you can park in the road, which means the answer of the first blank is garage. Finally, I'll give you some tips for table completion IELTS listening test. Timing is key. For each part, you will have time to look at the questions before the recording begins, and you will have time to check your answers at the end. You will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to the answer sheet provided at the end of the test. If you miss the answer, just move on. Don't spend too much time on one question. This is the end of my video. It was Anna until now. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you with table completion tasks. See you next time.